Hello, very quick one. If, like me, you're prone to bashing your car off walls, very quick tip to stop it before it starts rusting. Dry off the area, first of all. Catch all the little pieces where the paintwork has come off and the metal is exposed. You don't want to leave it too long. I'm just using kitchen towel because it's super absorbent. But I get myself a can of Plastidip. This is the genuine stuff as well. Got my little template, and all I'm going to do is batter a little splodge of Plastidip. It's probably too much, but a little blob of that, so that the plastic sets in a little square here, and when I'm ready to get proper paint on it again, I can just peel off the Plastidip, and away we go. Let's bring the camera in for a closer version. Or if you've got bigger areas, you can just go for it. Of course, it is totally balls out freezing here at the moment, so that won't dry very quickly, so you've got to use light coats. There you go. It's not perfect, but if your track weapon gets abused on the track and you don't want it to rust, there's a little tip for you. Just hit it with some Plastidip, or get it properly repaired, or be better and don't actually crash it in the first place.